Good afternoon, Butehaven students. We're here at Landforms Cove. Landforms Cove is in the Jurassic coast in Dorset on the south coast of England. Okay. Behind me we have a coastal erosion landform. We have the bay, and then we've got very marked headlands. And if you look over here, Jack, if you can point, here we have the two headlands at the entrance of the cove. This is a band of hard rock here, limestone rock, broken in. There's obviously a weakness here where there's like a fault or a strata where the four processes of coastal erosion, what they've done is attack that area, okay, and then gone in behind. This area here is a lot softer rock, okay. One of the things I do notice about the place is it's full of tourists. My goodness, it's a lot different than it used to be when we used to visit here when we were younger. Okay. Okay, good afternoon again, Butehaven students. Behind me is Stair Hole, which is Purbeck limestone. A little bit of soft rock. You can see where the process of erosion have worked into the caves there. They've created a geo really there. You've got an arch down here, you can see down here. There's the arch, where the notches are cut in by the process of coastal erosion, hydraulic action, attrition, abrasion, solution, and they've developed. In these lines of weaknesses here, you can see the different, you've got the caves, you've got your arch, and in the background you've got Portland, which is the island that connects to Chesil Beach, which is what's called a coastal deposition landform called a tombolo. And all this here, and you can see the strata and the bedding planes of the limestone as well, and the process of erosion. You've got your aeolian processes and your subaerial process in the top of the cliff. Then you've got your marine processes at the base of the cliff, creating this erosion landforms. This is called Stair Hole. You've got the arch, your caves, and all your different lines of weakness. Okay, nice one. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see behind me here, you can see the real classic bay and headland landform. You've got the limestone. You can see the strata behind. You can see the headland there. Look, the bay there. The English Channel. We've got this Jurassic coastline. But what I notice as well is this massive development's grown really, which is of tourism, economic development, tourism making money from this natural feature. You've got Stair Hole just in behind that other headland there, sticking out there, the protruding bit there. And then we're walking towards now Durdle Door, which is the very famous coastal erosion landform of the headland, which has the arch feature. Behind me now you can see the other side of the headland really. It's limestone, which is white, carboniferous, calcium carbonate. If you notice, there's been a lot of rain the last 2 days and there isn't a lot of water settling on the cliffs because it's a porous rock and the water drains away really quickly, so it's quite permeable rock. Behind me is the back of Durdle Door really. And then in the distance you can see the tombolo, which is Portland Bill and Chesil Beach. At Durdle Door. Durdle Door is the classic British coastal erosion landform really. As you can see, you have the classic arch made of Portland stones, very hard rock. Soft chalk cliffs has eroded away and left this beautiful landscape where you have the arch, you've got the layers of weakness that's attacked that middle bit, and in time the roof will collapse leaving a stack, but I think it was there for a very long time. The water has a sort of milky vibe to it, and that's really because of the calcium carbonate, the sort of limestone sort of milky sort of look to it. Behind me again you have Portland Bill, which is the island that connects the tombolo. Got a little stump out there. You've got your lovely chalk cliffs there with a little arch over in the corner over there, as you can see. But as you can see, this is the classic one that, if you're listening to Mr. White in B38, if you turn around you can see the poster on the wall above the board. And that is your classic coastal erosion landform formed by the processes of attrition, hydraulic action, cavitation, solution, those processes attacking the base of the rocks. You can see the base, which is darker, and that's where high tide watermark is. where the waves hit that, creating a notch. Then at the top, you've got quite a lot of green, which says to me really that it's not really been attacked by much erosion process. There's probably some weathering, and you might get some freeze thaw processes going on, sub-aerial processes taking place across the top. However, generally you can see there's not a lot going on because it's green, and if it's green it means it's not been attacked by many processes at all. You can see that the local council, Dorset Council, own this. It's not National Trust owned, and they've put paths to get the tourists down here. It's quite a heritage landscape in Britain. Makes a lot of money for the Dorset Council, and they put in proper steps to get people going down, so it reduces the amount of erosion, which would cause undercutting and collapse. And you can see it's soft rock. Get quite a lot of undercutting and cliff slumping here because it's soft, and the cliffs do collapse quite easily, especially this time of year. And you've got last 2 or 3 days been lots of heavy rain, and so what you need to do is manage the tourists, and they have those steps that going on that directs the people so you don't get loads of unnecessary cliff erosion. Okay, pretty beautiful, isn't it? Okay, what do you think, Polly? Beautiful? Right, thank you.